Hey, ugly. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Give me your lunch money.
Please leave me alone or you'll regret it.
Regret it? Why would I regret it?
Look behind you.
No one messes with my little brother except for me.
Oh, great heavens!
Mommy!
Hey, you ugly kid.
Who are you?
I'm the new school bully, and you're gonna be my first victim.
Oh? Well, you better stop right there because you will regret it.
Regret it? Pfft, yeah, right. Now give me your lunch money or else.
Oh, really? Well, since you're new, I'd like to introduce you to my family.
Family? You're probably an orphan. Nobody bullies my little brother except me. I caught my wife cheating on me. I am pissed.
And last but not least, oh, Mama Bear.
I'm not afraid to beat a stranger. I'm sorry.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, sweetie.
It's okay, Mom. I'm up. No need to cry. I can't believe they found a new heart for me. Where's Dad?
Here, this is from your dad.
A video?
Hi, son. I found you a new heart. I just need to tell you a few things. I want you always to listen to your mom because she's your best friend. And family is so important. And girls, you're too young for that right now, but when the time comes, treat them like princesses, okay? There's so many good things out there. I love you so much, son. I'll see you later.
Huh?
Oh my god, doctor, he's finally awake. Oh my gosh, you're finally awake. I just said that.
I guess so. How long have I been out for?
You won't believe this, but 5 years.
5 years? That makes no sense. What day is it? What time is it?
It's Sunday and it's 11:30 p.m.
I got school tomorrow. And it's past my bedtime. Wake me up tomorrow morning.
What the hell? He really went back to sleep?
I think that's the answer.
Dad?
What's up?
I appreciate you helping me with my math homework since Mom's not home, but you don't have to anymore.
Why?
To be honest, you're just not good at math.
Look who's talking. You just showed me your report card and you're failing math.
That was actually yours that I found.
Oh, well, I'm good at it now.
Okay, let's see. If you had 2 brothers,
Okay.
you have one that's 2,
Okay.
and the other brother is half his age.
Okay.
So when the older brother turns 100, how old will the other brother be?
Let's see. You said half his age. Easy. 50.
Wrong. I proved my point.
They know I'm a big mouth,
Where's
got
Mom
a big
when I
mouth
need
and it's
her?
big. Oh, great heavens! They know I'm a big talk, I have my big body and they see.
Dad, can you help me with my math homework?
Ugh. Fine. What's the question?
What's 2 plus 2?
You are so dumb.
Why am I so stupid?
Son, I think it's time for me to tell you the story of why you're so stupid. Sit down.
Okay.
It all started the day after you were born. Please enjoy your baby. Sir, you just dropped your baby on its head. It spoke to me and it has teeth. That's not normal. I gotta go deliver another baby. Bye. I'll name you Timmy. So, in conclusion, I might have gave you brain damage.
Stupid because of you?
2 plus 2 is 4, dummy.
Let's go. I got my driver license. No, I just drove 5 minutes ago. Oh, fine. Hello? Yo, you think you could give me a ride? Today? Yeah, right now. Alright, I got you. Okay, we're here, bro. Alright, I'll catch you later. Wait, you're not gonna give me gas money? Bro, I'm broke right now. Whew, I'm so tired. I've been driving all day. Son! Yes, Mom? Can you go to the supermarket and buy eggs? Okay. Okay, now I can rest. Son! Can you go pick up my package? Fine. Finally. Son! Can you go pick up your brother from school?
Oh, great heavens!
Your son got it, Pops. Your son got it.
Not that I really care, but got what?
The DMV sent my license in the mail.
A license? No, they sent you that by mistake.
First of all, this license came from the DMV.
Okay, so?
And the DMV is a government agency, right?
I guess?
And the government doesn't make mistakes, does it?
No. Well,
Nothing.
well, at least you don't own a car. Sending a psycho a license. Who does that?
But I got your car keys, so let's go on a little joyride, Papa Big Chin.
No.
Mom.
Go on a little joyride with your son. Can I tag along? No, Weasel.
Sup, bruh? Let's turn some music on. I'm a cowgirl.
Will you keep both hands on the steering wheel, wacko?
You're no fun. Look, Dad, I'm driving with my eyes closed. Uh-oh.
NYPD, pull over, big lips.
Pull over, moron.
Hell no.
Can anyone tell me why humans have different blood groups so mosquitoes can enjoy different flavors? Good one. Not. Sir, can I use the bathroom? It's may I use. No, it's July.
Hi, Mr. Bend Over.
Hey, look, it's the new kid I told you about. Oh, yeah, I had a meeting with your parents yesterday. What were their names again?
My dad's name is Laughing, and my mom's name is Smiling.
Oh. Are you kidding?
No, he's my cousin. I'm joking.
Oh, great heavens!
We have to recruit him.
Okay, class, can anyone tell me why do we have different blood types?
Oh, it's so mosquitoes can enjoy different flavors.
Haha, funny. Now shut up!
Whoa, someone broke your heart.
Oh, Timmy, how I'd love to put you in a rocket ship and send you to space.
Well, if it gets me out of school. Can I use the bathroom?
It's may I?
No, it's November.
Oh, hello. Oh, hey, teacher, I'm the new student. Oh, that's right, I met with your parents yesterday. What was their names again? Oh, yeah, my dad's name is, Laughing and my mom's name is Smiling. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, nah, that's my cousin. I'm joking.
I need him on my team.
Well, class, looks like I'm going to retire today. Oh, wow. Are you leaving now? Yeah.
Hey, your mom told me you got in a fight at school today.
Yeah?
You finna get this ass whooping, boy.
I'm sorry.
Did you win?
Hell yeah, I was like, bow, bow, bow.
Okay.
And then I put him on the floor and I was like, bow, bow, bow. You should have seen it, Dad.
That's my boy.
Yeah, Come on, let's see what you got. I had enough of you, bully.
Uh-huh. Fighting again, huh? You're suspended again. Honey, I need you to go in there and teach little Timmy a lesson for fighting in school. He got suspended again. Oh, don't worry. I'll go right in there and show him who's boss. So your mother tells me you got suspended for fighting again.
I'm sorry, Dad. It won't happen again.
Your mother says you had too many chances, son.
Okay, do what you gotta do.
Did you win the fight again?
Yeah, with a jab.
That's my boy. That's what I always say. Stand up to bullies.
Yeah, I hate bullies.
That's right, son. Oh, if your mother asks, tell her I gave you a 2-piece. Just in case.
Yo, bro. Do you know the answer to number 2?
It's C.
Mark, are you really talking during the test? That's an automatic F.
What? I see how it is.
10 years later. Yo, what up? Long time no see. Holy moly, what's up? I didn't know you like anime. We're wearing the same sweater. That's a crazy coincidence. I'd love to catch up, but I gotta head out. Okay. Oh, and here, I've been doing pretty good for myself. Have some money. Wow, thank you. I really needed this. No problem. See ya. He had like an anime sweater or something. Okay. Like that one. He's back for more. Put your hand where I can see them. You're getting arrested.
Oh, great heavens!
Payback.
Cheat police, you're cheating. Cheat police? What the hell is that? I'm not cheating. I saw you using your phone calculator and I'm telling the teacher right now. No, don't tell me, snitch. Talk to the hand because you don't got a man. Teacher, cheater alert.
Who? Timmy. You failed your test. And I'm keeping your phone.
My phone. You.
Oh, I have to record this.
Hey, son, come over here now.
Yeah, what's up?
Can you tell me what that is?
Oh, that? That's my report card.
Why is your report card on the ceiling?
You said bring my grades up.
Oh, great heavens!
I should have used protection.
Give me back my PlayStation controller.
No, you're failing in school, so you're not getting it back until you bring up your grades.
How dare you talk to me like that? Who do you think you are? My father?
You're not getting it back, and that's final.
You know what? Keep it. I don't care. Billy, let's go to your room. I gotta talk to you about something.
I love cheese.
Okay, so I got a plan to get my controller back. Just do everything I say, okay?
But what if I get hurt?
Just do everything I say, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now this is gonna record your voice. Just say, help! I'm stuck in the washing machine.
Help! I'm stuck in the washing machine. Help! I'm stuck in the washing machine.
Nice. Now I'm gonna put it in the washing machine. Now let's call Dad.
That boy is crazy.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, Papa Bitchin. Billy got stuck inside the washing machine.
Okay, so how is that my problem?
You gotta come and help him.
How did that snow cone get stuck in that washing machine? So Billy's really in the washing machine?
Listen.
Help! I'm stuck in the washing machine.
Don't worry, Billy. Daddy will save ya. Go check.
Billy?
Let me help you.
No! Honey? Timmy, where's your dad?
He's stuck inside the washing machine.
Leave my family alone.
Any last words?
Let us go, please.
I'm cold. Can you turn the heat up?
Okay, sure, why not?
Don't touch my thermostat.
Oh, great heavens!
Fight me like a real man.
Alright, let's go.
Yay, my plan worked.
I smell all the money in your pocket. So give me all your monies.
Don't sit there and eat chips like this is a movie. Help me.
Remember last Thursday when I was pretending to be sick because I didn't want to go to school and you still made me go?
Yeah? What about it?
Well, because of that, I'm not gonna help you.
Billy, help me. Timmy?
Oh, really?
What that weasel say?
Billy said that you said for him not to talk to you for 2 months.
Sounds like you need to treat your sons better. So where's the money?
Hey, Dad, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna use your car. No, I need help. I'm being robbed. Thanks, you're the best. Lonely, I am so lonely. I have nobody for my own. Honey, help! Don't bother me, I'm playing Candy Crush.
Well, looks like you're all out of options. Give me the monies.
Get money, money gets me. If it don't make sense, it don't tempt me. I get money, talk it gently. Cause I remember losing change in the pantry. I get money, money gets me.
All of y'all line up against the wall. I can't believe y'all broke my brand new TV. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Oh, great heavens!
And you, no phone for 1 hour.
Oh, great heavens!
And what's your name again?
Oh, great heavens!
I hate this game. Yeah.
Oh. My new TV! You broke my $2,000 TV!
No, I didn't.
Then who?
It was a chickmunk.
That's it. You're getting a big fat juicy whooping today. You okay, honey?
Yo, Dad, I bet you $100 I can make you say no.
$100? Okay, fine, go.
There are 3 doors, red, green, or yellow. Which one do you go in?
The red one?
Dang it. Okay, in the red door, you see 3 fruits, apple, orange, or banana. Which one will you eat?
Orange.
What? Nah, you know this trick, huh?
No, I actually don't know.
Got him! Give me my money.
Oh, great heavens!
I don't care what anyone says. I'm the smartest person in the world. Got it?
Really?
Did I stutter?
Oh, okay, so you should answer this riddle correctly then.
Bring it. They call me the Riddle King.
Huh? Okay. A dog has 3 puppies. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is the mother's name?
The puppies are Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is the mother's name? Wednesday is the mother's name. Got it.
Wrong.
What the hell?
That's what you get. You're right, Mom. He isn't smart.
I told you.
Son, I heard you're failing some of your classes.
Well, you can't blame me. Mom told me I get my intelligence from you.
What? That means she's actually calling you very smart.
Well, let's test it out. What's the opposite of bottom?
Top?
What does SHOP spell?
Shop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop?
Gotcha.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Dad, are you smart?
What kind of question is that? Of course I'm smart. What's so funny? Oh, nothing.
So if I tell you to spell something, you think you'll get it right?
Yeah, I was in the spelling bee back in my day.
Okay. Spell river.
R-I-V-E-R.
Okay, good. Now put a D in front of it. What does it say?
The river? That's not a word.
Yes, it is.
Oh, like I went swimming in the river.
No, Dad. Spell river again.
R-I-V-E-R.
Now put the D in front.
It would be driver. What's so funny, babe?
Are you sure you were in the spelling bee?
Yes.
You must have got last place because the answer
So
is
funny,
driver.
babe.
Are you sure you were in the spelling bee?
Yes.
You must have got last place because the answer is driver.
Oh, great heavens!
Dad, put this hat over this bottle.
Okay.
Good. Now, I'm gonna bet you $100 that I can drink whatever's in the bottle without touching the hat.
Deal. That's impossible.
Okay. Done.
What?
I drank it all.
No, you didn't.
Thank you.
Why are you so smart at home and dumb at school?
Oh, Mother, put this hat over this bottle.
Okay, class, can you see God? No, you can't. Okay, class, can you touch God? No. So therefore, there isn't a God. Yes, go ahead.
I'm about to end my teacher's whole career. Miss, can you touch your brain?
No.
Can you see your brain?
No.
Therefore, you have no brain.
Okay, smarty pants, can you see God?
No.
Can you touch God?
No.
Then there isn't a God.
Teacher.
Yeah, do we have a problem?
Maybe. Can you see your brain?
No.
Can you touch your brain?
No.
So does that mean you have no brain?
Shut up. Timmy, detention. And I'm calling your mother.
You sure you know how to do that, since you don't have a brain?
Why aren't you two in school?
We don't need to go to school today.
Oh. Have you lost your mind?
Yeah, because of the day you were born.
Take that back.
No. Go to school.
You really did lose your mind. But you know what? I'll go to school.
Yeah, be smart like me.
Mama?
Billy, Timmy. Where's Billy and Timmy? Billy's sleeping over there and Timmy's in school. Okay, but why is Timmy in school? It's Saturday today. Saturday? I thought it was Friday.
Hello? 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 Hello?
What?
Can I use the TV now to play my video games?
No, because I said you gotta brush your teeth first.
But I did brush my teeth.
I don't believe you. Let me see. Blow your breath. It smells like rotten tuna.
But I did brush my teeth.
I don't believe you. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, check your toothbrush to see if it's dry. Where's his toothbrush? There it is. That lying son of a...
I almost got you.
Jimmy, open the door.
Timmy, open the door.
No, and don't you dare open it.
You see my toothbrush? Have you checked the bathroom?
Ah, thank you, my lord.
Why am I the only one with a brain in this house? I meant you and I.
So you think you're so smart, huh?
The hell? Yeah, I'm smart.
Okay, let's put that mashed potato brain to a test.
Okay, bring it. Wait, mashed potato what?
Name 3 countries beside the USA.
That's easy. Japan, Russia, and China.
Wrong.
Don't you hit me. And how is that wrong?
Because I said so. I said name 3 countries beside the USA.
And I did. Japan, Russia, and China.
I said 3 countries beside the USA, meaning right next to. See, Mom? A mashed potato brain.
Honey, I've been through that.